We're at CES 2026. Here we can see global tech companies are unveiling their latest innovation.
News videos are everywhere on the internet. But if you look closely, not all of them are hosted by real humans anymore. Some of these news anchors are actually AI. So what exactly is an AI news channel? Simply put, it's a digital news channel where the news is delivered by AI-powered anchors instead of real presenters. They speak naturally, read scripts fluently, and honestly, they look just like professional news hosts you'd see on TV. And this isn't some future idea. It's already happening right now. In Indonesia, TVOne is already using AI anchors like Nadira, Sasha, and Bhoomi. In India, Aaj Tak launched Sana, an AI anchor delivering news just like a real human presenter. So the big question is, why is this becoming such a huge trend? The answer is simple. AI news has massive potential. With AI, you can create news faster, publish consistently, and scale your content without a full production team. No studio, no camera crew, no reshoots. Creators are using AI news channels to cover topics that attract massive attention: tech updates, trending entertainment, viral stories, sports highlights. And when you combine high-demand topics with low production cost and high efficiency, it's easy to see why AI news channels are quickly becoming one of the easiest ways to scale content and help you to make money online. But that's not even the biggest advantage. One of the most powerful reasons AI news channels are growing so quickly is how instantly they can respond to what's happening. Think about situations like earthquakes, sudden market drops, or viral TikTok trends. Instead of waiting for a traditional production process, updates can go live almost as soon as the story breaks. And as new details come in, the anchor can update the story again without starting from scratch. This makes AI news channels perfect for breaking news, trending topics, and real-time events where timing really matters. And another major strength of AI news channels is content personalization. This means the same news story can be presented in different ways for different viewers. Some people might prefer a short, casual summary. Others want a deeper, more formal breakdown. AI can adapt the tone, length, and format based on what viewers actually watch and engage with. Over time, the news feels more relevant and more personal. And this combination of efficiency, flexibility, and personalization is exactly why AI news channels are scaling so fast. Now that you know the potential of AI news channels, let's take a look at how you can actually create one AI news video by yourself. The first thing you need to decide is what type of news you want to create. Your theme affects everything: the style of your AI anchor, the setting, and how your audience perceives your channel. For example, if you're covering technology news, like CES updates, an on-site, event-style AI anchor is a great fit. It gives viewers the feeling of real-time coverage from the expo while still looking modern, professional, and high energy. If you're creating entertainment news, a more relaxed, cozy indoor vibe usually performs better. Short-form videos with casual AI anchors work great here. And since entertainment content is global, you can even use Jog AI's video translation feature to reach audiences in different languages. And when it comes to sports news, professional-looking AI anchors in outdoor or studio-style environments add credibility and excitement, just like real broadcasts. Jog AI is an all-in-one AI solution for creating dynamic videos with realistic AI avatars. Here's a quick overview of the steps. First, you need to create your AI news anchor. You can choose from Jog AI's AI avatar library.
We're at CES 2026. Here we can see global tech companies are unveiling their latest innovations.
Or you can use the text-to-avatar feature to create a customized AI news anchor. With this feature, you can describe your ideal presenter using a simple prompt, and the AI will generate an avatar that matches your vision. Next, you move on to creating the actual AI news video. Using the avatar video feature, you select your avatar, paste in your script or upload audio, and the AI anchor will speak, move, and lip-sync naturally, just like a real news host.
Marking a significant leap in consumer technology, the long-awaited Atlas device was unveiled today.
And if you want to scale, Jog AI also supports automation workflows with Make.com. If you want a deeper dive into that workflow, we'll link a full tutorial in the description below. Once your video is ready, you can also translate it into multiple languages and reach global audiences without extra effort. So with just a few steps, choose an avatar, generate the video, and optionally translate it, you can launch AI news content fast. Now let's talk about money. How do AI news channels actually turn content into income? The first way is running your own AI news YouTube channel. AI anchors let you upload consistently without burning out. And consistency is exactly what YouTube's algorithm loves. More uploads, more watch time, more monetization. Once your channel has traction, it naturally opens the door for sponsored content and brand partnerships. Brands are more willing to invest when their products or announcements can be seamlessly integrated into AI-generated news segments. For example, a tech brand could sponsor a segment about new gadgets, delivered by your AI anchor in a professional tone. And if your AI can generate content in multiple languages, the sponsorship potential goes global, reaching audiences far beyond your local market. Beyond sponsorships, there's also affiliate marketing. You can include affiliate links in your video descriptions for products mentioned in your news segments. Every purchase earns you a commission. And because AI lets you create multiple versions of the same content, different niches, different languages, different platforms, your earning potential scales fast. AI news channels open up a whole new way to create, scale, and monetize content. With Jog AI, you can create professional videos in minutes, customize AI anchors, automate production, and reach audiences worldwide. And that's how it works. So now I'm curious, what type of news would you create first with your AI anchor? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next video.